Good evening, everyone.
Myself, Krishna Dharma.
Myself, Bindu K. We are studying 10th standard in Someshwara Girls High School. Our model name is DNA replication.
DNA means copying genetic information for transmission to next generation.
It occurs in S-phase cell cycle. Process of DNA duplicating itself, being with the unbinding in the double X exposes bases from the strands of DNA. Each complementary nucleotides attracts the nucleotides from the medium. Complementary pair of LX produces semi-conservative replication. Double LX act on which each act as template. Complementary